Moving house. Let's be real, it's a chaotic, box-filled whirlwind that most of us dread. But what if we looked at it differently? What if we treated it less like a chore and more like a strategic mission, armed with some seriously clever tricks?
Yeah, no kidding. It ranks right up there with life's biggest upheavals. It's this perfect storm of logistics, backbreaking labor, and saying goodbye to a place. We've all been there, right? Sitting in a room full of boxes, just wondering where on earth to start.
What if I told you that you could actually take control of all that chaos? Well, you can. In the next few minutes, we're going to walk through exactly how to turn this whole process from a nightmare into a slick, totally manageable project.
Okay, let's get into it. First things first, before you even think about taping a single box shut, the real work has to begin. And it doesn't start with packing, nope. It starts with purging. This is your first and, honestly, your most important strategic move.
This is the one rule you have to burn into your brain. Say it with me. Don't pay to move trash. Every single thing you get rid of now is one less thing you have to pack, carry, load, unload, and then try to find a home for. You're literally saving yourself time, effort, and cold hard cash.
It's so easy to fall into that trap on the left, right? You just throw everything in a box and tell yourself, oh, I'll sort it out when I get there. But the smart way recognizes that later almost never happens. You just end up paying to move a bunch of clutter you don't even want.
Feeling a little stuck on what to keep and what to toss? Okay, here's a simple, brutally effective rule. Pick something up. Ask yourself, have I used this, worn this, or even thought about this in the last year? If the answer is no, it's time to say goodbye. Donate it, sell it, ditch it. Just be ruthless.
All right, once you've thinned the herd, it's time to pack. And trust me, this is the phase where the move is either won or lost. Instead of just frantically shoving things into boxes, let's look at a few pro techniques that make a world of difference.
This is a fantastic time saver. Seriously, a total game changer for your clothes. Instead of taking every single shirt and dress off the hanger, you just bundle them up. They stay clean, they stay organized, and you can move them from the truck right into your new closet in about 30 seconds. Done.
We have all made this mistake. You fill a giant box with books and you accidentally create an object so heavy it could have its own gravitational pull. Don't do that to yourself. Use your suitcases. Let those little wheels do all the heavy lifting for you. Your back is going to thank you, I promise. Here's a little physics lesson that'll save your dishes. When you stack plates flat, every bump in the road sends a shockwave right through the whole stack. But if you pack them on their sides, vertically, like old vinyl records in a crate, the force gets distributed. It makes them way, way less likely to crack.
The goal here is simple. Stop paying to move empty air. Every hollow item you own, a pot, a vase, a shoe, is a potential container. You just pack smaller things inside bigger things. Spices go in the cooking pots, socks get stuffed in glasses. You're maximizing every square inch of space. It's so efficient.
Okay, the big day is here, but this isn't about chaos. This is a coordinated mission. And guess what? You are mission control. With a simple little playbook, you can direct all the traffic and keep things running like clockwork.
This system is an absolute lifesaver. Doesn't matter if you've hired professional movers or just bribed your friends with pizza. Nobody has to ask you, hey, where does this go 100 times? They just match the color on the box to the color on the door. It's fast, it's simple, and it's incredibly efficient.
This one tiny little rule will save you from that special kind of agony that comes from losing that one specific screw for your bed frame. You just put all the little bits and pieces in a bag and take that bag directly to the piece of furniture it belongs to. No more mystery bags of bolts at the end of the day. This tip takes exactly 5 seconds. Before you unplug that spaghetti monster of wires behind your TV or your computer, just pull out your phone and snap a quick picture. I'm telling you, it will save your future self an hour of frustrating guesswork when you're trying to set it all back up. And here are 2 lightning round tips for you. For dressers with lightweight stuff, you don't even have to empty the drawers. Just wrap the whole thing tight in industrial cling film. And if you're moving out of a rental, a simple bar of white soap rubbed over small nail holes can be a lifesaver for getting that security deposit back.
We're in the home stretch. You've arrived, you made it. But this final phase, the unpacking, is what determines whether your first night in your new home is a success or a frantic, desperate search for a toothbrush.
This box right here is your lifeline, the open first box. And notice we say use a clear bin. Why?
so you can spot it immediately from across a room full of cardboard. It's got everything you need to feel human again. Toilet paper, chargers, soap, and most importantly, the coffee maker.
And that's really what this all boils down to, isn't it? It's not about how much you can lift or how fast you can work. A truly smooth, successful move is all about the smart decisions you make before you even pick up a single box. It's about strategy and knowing a few clever tricks.
You see, a great move isn't just about getting your stuff from point A to point B. It's about setting a calm, confident, and organized tone for your brand new beginning. So now that you've got the stress and chaos handled, the only real question left is, what are you going to conquer next?